Come on. Wow, look at him in the bushes. This is a first. Come on. Are you stuck? Come on. Come on out. Good boy. Wow. He never goes in the bushes. There's something very interesting over here. What is it? Hello? Who is it? Is it somebody to see? Who's here with us? Usually Blue gets very happy when he sees the humans. I wonder if there's any special humans around here. Who is it? Are you saying hi to Blue? Who's over there? Come on. Come on. Blue, let's go. All right, we're going to go back. Come on. Let's go get some water. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. Come on, let's go get some water. David, let's go. There's these biting ladybugs here. I'd heard about these, but I didn't believe it. I definitely know now. David, this way. Let's go, pup. Come on. Good boy. Let's go get some water. Let's go get some water. Come on. It's Blue's 5th birthday today. It's very exciting. He's been doing so good lately. Been very much better. Great grammar, huh? Very much better with David. I had to give him a talking to. Said, knock this off. Enough is enough. Look at him go. Good boy. Very good. Oh, that feels good. That is so good to see.